Y'all shit getting real. Got a nigga in the hoodie about to pop off with some Arabs and looking like. Yo, they about to sell him some bad spice or something. God damn. Damn, look at him. He done laid out Poncho. Y'all niggas in hoodies is crazy. Y'all light skinned niggas in hoodies. Oh shit! He beat his ass! So this would be all white people power and the green and shit. That's what get your ass rocked, man. Cause now me out the fucking on the rock somebody pulling me when I'm trying to dig and eat. Why that nigga look like Geechee Gotti? Oh, that nigga look like Geechee Gotti! Yo, Geechee!